Welcome to Autodeals. Did you know with Autodeals that you can print forms from all 50 states, DMVs? You can also electronically send them or electronically sign them. And let me show you how easy it is. Right now we're looking at the deals and the last deal that was worked with Allison Clark. If I wanted to send her a deal package of all the documents that needed to be signed, I could just click on Forms, pick the documents that I want to send, or of course select all, and I could choose print if I wanted to print them. And I would have all the documents there. But if I wanted to actually get the customer to sign them, I would just select e-sign, click output, and now the deal package has been created. I can now send it to her number, and it's been sent. And now I have a dashboard item to track everything that's happened with this electronic signature package. And at my deal level, where I have all my deals listed, I can go into the dashboard to show me all of the electronic packages that have gone out and sent and been approved. It's just that easy. Autodeals is the future of dealer software.